Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to enable direct messages on TikTok. So if you also want to enable direct messages on TikTok, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TikTok application. Wait for it to load. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here TikTok has been opened. Initially you'll be in the home interface. So if you want to enable the direct messages, you'll have to go to the profile interface. At bottom you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the profile interface. Over here you'll be able to see your profile. What you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. In order to enable the direct messages, what you have to do is go to the settings interface. For that, simply tap on the last option, that is settings and privacy. Now you'll be led to the settings and privacy interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options related to settings and privacy. You'll be able to find the options related to account, content and display, gas and cellular, support, etc. Under the account section, at second, you'll be able to find the option for privacy. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the privacy interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options related to the privacy. What you have to do is find the option for direct messages over here. It is under the interaction sections. You can see over here, you'll be able to find the option for direct messages at third. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now, no one is selected. That means your direct messages are not enabled. In order to enable the direct messages, what you have to do is tap on the option allow direct messages from that you can see at the first. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several options over here. Who can send you messages? Everyone, suggested friends, friends, no one. If you want to enable direct messages for everyone, what you have to do is tap on the option everyone. If you want to enable direct messages for suggested friends, simply tap on the option suggested friends. If you want to enable direct messages for friends, simply tap on the option friends. Here I've enabled the direct messages for the friends. Now simply go back. The changes will be saved. Now the direct messages have been enabled. So that is how you enable direct messages on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.